Hello. Today I wanted to show my updated solder helper, my helping hand, and I came up with this gear system here. So we have a gear and we have I believe it's called rack and pinion. So this turns and it does this. It spins this back and forth so we can move this back and forth so we can put a PCB in here. I found an issue here. I have this gear is keyed, and I need this here to be, I need a access hole through here, because when I 3D printed it, I went to install this and forgot to add the hole for the key. So I need to take this and poke it through. So what I did was I started working in context. So I was able to take a plane on this surface right here and to use and project these onto that plane and then extrude them through this here by using in context. So let me show you how to do that. So let me right click on this guy. I'm going to go to in context. So edit in context. I'm going to create a brand new context. So now I want to create a sketch on this surface right here. So let's go to sketch. I'm going to click on that area right there. We are going to then go to this use project. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to see this, find this transparent area right here. Click on those edges. Click on this edge right here. And that creates the shape that I want to extrude out through the top. So that's good. I should have projected that onto this now. So let me hit green check. That then throws it on there. So now I can take and extrude that shape. So let me click on that sketch right there. I'm going to extrude that shape up and through, and we're going to do a remove. So solid remove, just going up through it. So we can do like 50 and then hit green check, and it should, okay, it flipped it on me. So let me double click on that. Flip this guy right here. And yep, there we go. Perfect. Green check. And that is exactly what we need. So now I can actually install this and remove it when I want to. So let me go to my assembly. And we can see that that new notch is there. And we can take this and we can pull it up and out. We may want to add some additional clearance to this, but that is how you work in context in assemblies. Thanks for watching.